my name is Sandy Carter, and I'm IBM's General Manager for Ecosystem Development and a Social Business Evangelist. And I am here at Pulse. And in fact, we wanted to celebrate Pulse because Pulse this year is all about the cloud. Now, if you think cloud is just an IT obsession, think again. In fact, what I want to do is show you some data on the value of cloud to all areas of the business. In fact, if you think about it, cloud is important to a business's overall success. And the overall focus from line of business or real business leaders, their strategic interest in cloud will actually surpass IT's interest and will span into every area of a business's key and core differentiators. Now, what I want to show you today is some recent study that's come back on pacesetters. Now, pacesetters are a group of people who are leading the pack financially. Those are the people who have not just deployed cloud, but seen the financial results of cloud. And when we talk about cloud, we're talking about all the different layers of the cloud, if you would. You know, Shrek said onions have layers, ogres have layers, well, clouds have layers too. And if you think about the layers for the cloud, you have an infrastructure layer, you have a platform that yields services or a PaaS layer, you have a SaaS layer, software as a service, which is high value consumable services that are used in a business setting, and then business process as a service. So when we go through today and we look at those pacesetters who have really driven financial results, they're using all the layers of that cloud to get those results. But I'll highlight as we go through which layer is more prevalent for them. So first, we found in this study of pacesetters, those who financially did better use cloud for strategic reinvention. They reinvent their business processes and the way that they do business, really sitting up at that business service layer and the SaaS layer. In fact, we found that 136% more likely to use cloud to reinvent that customer relationship or that customer experience more than those who are laggards in this particular space. We also found that pacesetters, those who are financially better in the marketplace, are using cloud to drive better decisions, not just gather information, but to gain insight about that information. In fact, they're 170% more likely to use analytics extensively via the cloud to get and gain those insights that result from big data. Now, if you think about that cloud stack again, what we're doing is we're now diving from that business service and SaaS layer into the PaaS layer and the infrastructure layer, because in order to get analytics, you need to access that big data. You need to have the right set of information and trusted information. So these pacesetters are going into the stack, that cloud of the cloud as well. Now, we also found that pacesetters are using cloud for deeper collaboration, for social usage. And this is really important because it enables connections of employees and connections to customers, that high engagement level. In fact, we found that pacesetters are 79% more likely to rely on the cloud to find expertise and locate expertise. Now going all the way down into the depths of that stack again, going down from a PaaS layer into what we see as the infrastructure layer, because you have to garner all that information that exists for your employees. In fact, we found that on average, companies waste 1 day a week per employee searching for the right level of expertise. So this is such a transformational moment on the cloud. So pacesetters are integrating these technologies in new ways. We see that they're using cloud to implement social and mobile strategies as well as analytics, and that the chasers just aren't where the pacesetters are today. So hopefully here at Pulse today, you're going to see how cloud can help you drive that innovation, transform your business, become one of those pacesetters. We're going to help you lay out your cloud strategy, show you what cloud technologies are available, and match the layers of the cloud to your business objectives, showing you the power of all 4 of those layers and what you're doing. So I'm so happy you're here with me at Pulse. My name is Sandy Carter, and this has been our Social Business Coffee Break.